So here's the best way to get great results from your Genie Nutratanicals Antioxidant Foundation. First of all, there's a protective seal on the inside. It's clear, and make sure that you remove that. Then take the cap, put it back on, and tap, shake, so it dispenses product into the cap. Okay, you're gonna need a little bit more than that, so let me do it again. And that's perfect. So now what Carly's gonna do is she is going to press her brush into the foundation and then tap it on the counter to load the brush. What this does is this loads the powder down into the brush, and then she's gonna go ahead and apply, and she's going to buff it into her skin using tiny circular motions. What this does is it actually presses the foundation into her skin for a super natural look. What's fantastic about it is that the ingredients in the Nutratanicals are really good for your skin. It contains Japanese honeysuckle, so it's actually giving moisture to your skin. And as she's buffing, it's giving her a beautiful full coverage. And so she's just going to continue buffing all the way until she has the level of coverage that makes her happy. And that's how easy it is. In just 2 minutes, you can have natural, beautiful, full coverage, gorgeous skin.